Go ahead.
Come in! Come in! Who's there? Hey! The three little moms!
I'm the princess, actually.
Are you the princess?
Yeah.
Well, come here, princess. I want to turn you into a toad.
No.
Why not?
'Cause I don't like being a princess.
Well, where's the prince? Can I be the prince?
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, I don't look like a prince. I look like an old scruffy old man. How do I be a prince?
You are a prince.
Oh, with faith? You just will it and then you become the prince?
You're a man, so you are a prince.
Oh, all men are princes, I see. Okay.
Because when you marry, you're a prince.
Well, then we can have little princes and little princesses like you?
Yeah.
Okay. That's it. Stop. Stop. Stop.